add new floors to a virtual tour if you didn't create them in the first place. So you uploaded all your photos to one floor. Now you would like to add the first floor because you only have the ground floor. What you need to do, you have to upload one photo first to the new floor. So you go add a next panorama, choose, gonna find the living room. And before you upload it, you need to change ground floor to first floor. And that's how we're gonna create the additional floor in the virtual tour. So if you would like to order a floor plan of a 3-story house, you need to divide it into ground floor, first floor, second floor. Now that we've got the first floor, we can reassign the photos from the ground floor to the desired first floor. So we're just gonna open our photo organizer. We can drag and drop them, and you can simply choose the first floor that you just created. And another one, and another one. And when you close it, you've got the ground floor, the first floor, and now you have your tour organized. You can also order a multiple floor plan from the virtual tour. Thank you very much. Bye bye.